How to create an account in Binance. Now in order to create an account in Binance, you just simply need to open your Binance application and you can see this page. Now in this page, you can see this sign up/login button. Just simply tap into sign up/login, and in this section, you can enter your email or phone number, or you can continue with Google in order to create the account. You can choose whatever option is suitable for you. In my case, I am going to go with Google account. Now, just simply select the Google account which you would like to use in order to create an account in Binance. Now, agree, and then it will process for a little while, and then you just simply need to continue in privacy and terms section. It will ask some optional questions. You can choose to answer those, and after that just simply tap to next button. Now this way you can very easily create your account in Binance, and you can verify if you want, or if you don't want to verify right now, you can do that for later. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.